What's going on, everybody? Fletcher Wheaton here in Los Cabos, and in the beautiful community of Quivira. This is Copala and Quivira. There's background noise, that's construction going on, just like in every part of Los Cabos. But today I want to talk to you about the Mañana boys. Who are the Mañana boys? The Mañana boys are exactly the type of person that you do not want to be doing business with when you get to Mexico. You know, we're talking about late payments, we're talking about no-shows, we're talking about headaches. So whether that's property management, whether that's handyman, whether that's attorneys, these are the type of people that you want to avoid. Now, how do you get the name Mañana boys? It's because, hey, Felipe, when are you gonna pay me? Oh, mañana, mañana. And then when tomorrow comes, guess what the response is? Mañana, mañana. So how do you avoid dealing with these headaches? It's you contact me. I can put you in touch with all sorts of people here in Cabo. You know, whether that's lawyers, accountants, you know, property managers, closings, immigration, contractors, handymans. I have relationships with all these people. So if you really want to avoid the headaches of, specifically when it comes to, for example, I have really good relationships with some of the best attorneys in Los Cabos. I'm really good friends with Eduardo Tapia, who is head of the Bar Association for Baja California Sur. These are the type of people that I've been able to establish relationships with. And you know, if you're dealing with people like this, life tends to be a lot easier here in Los Cabos. You know, you can run into a lot of issues and a lot of the nightmares you hear about people that come to Cabo or other parts of Mexico. It's because they're dealing with the wrong people. You know, they've hired the wrong people. I know people, for example, my wife rents out real estate here, and a lot of times it's people have these houses that are vacant for months on end, and the property manager just, either they have so many properties or they just don't care, or it's their business culture. So here in Los Cabos, it's kind of a mixture of the two. It's like a 50-50 chance. For the most part, people here are pretty good. You know, they understand that the US and Canadian residents represent such a large portion of the population that they can't really get away with the mañana responses, right? And another thing too is, you know, I've dealt with people that are just outright fraudulent and lying. Now, I know this can happen anywhere, but Latin culture in general is very much more relaxed than you would find in the United States. And Mexico, being so close in proximity to the United States, is nowhere near as bad as other areas of Latin America. But my advice to you is, if you have any questions about buying real estate, owning real estate, renting out your property, closings, immigration, paperwork, property management, you want to do renovations, rehabs, reach out to me. I can introduce you to these people that are within my network that I've done business with. This is what I do. So if you are going to do real estate, buy a house or anything like that in Los Cabos, reach out to me. Make sure that you don't get mañana'd by the Mañana boys.